Okay, so now that you've completed the exercise, we want to talk about the couple key points that we want you to take from this exercise. So one, we want to talk about sparsity and selectivity. So the softmax that's wrapped up in this attention module is basically doing two things for us. The first is an exponentiation, which basically sparsifies our weights and increases selectivity of the weights that are being embedded. Additionally, this softmax normalizes our logits that are coming in and gives them some dynamic range. So again, this turns them into a probability distribution function, which we can sample then instead of just being some arbitrary integer that's being popped out by our dot products. And then what happens when we change the gain factor is that when we have smaller gains, the attention weights are fairly evenly distributed. But as you increase that gain factor, you get some sparser and sparser attentions. So again, this is showing how our attention is modulated by this external factor and how that modulation can change the type of attention that we give to our input sequences.